Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Well guys, sometimes when you receive your IELTS result, you don't seem to be happy with your writing and speaking result. Yes, if you are unhappy with your listening and reading results, we cannot do anything about that. But if you are unhappy with your speaking and writing result and you are confident that you deserve better bench score, there is one option, we call it inquiry on results, EOR. You can apply for that. EOR has got some fee. In India, it's 11,000, almost 11,000. IELTS test fee is 14,000 and EOR fee is 11,000. Yeah. So one of my students from India applied for EOR. And actually, why he applied for EOR? Because in writing they gave him 6 band and in speaking they gave him 5.5 band. Now 5.5 means you are below their requirement, their prerequisite. For Canadian education, you need 6 each. And remember, whether you apply EOR on one module or all 4 modules, you have to pay the same fee. So this student decided to go for EOR on writing and speaking. Actually, they gave him 6 in writing and 5.5 in speaking. You know, you need a big heart to apply for EOR. 11,000 Indian rupees. 14,000 is the test fee. And if the result does not change, your money is gone. If the result changes, they return your money. They should return double money. Huh? Okay. After 2 weeks, when the result announced of EOR, his writing bench score, they wrote it, the bench score awarded for this module has changed from 6 to 6.5. Now see, speaking, the bench score awarded for this module has changed from 5.5 to 6. See that who is in desperate need of 6 each. For him, this is something amazing. And now, this student of mine from India can go to any part of Canada, or as they call it, Canada, with love. Huh? Okay, so guys, all the best. I've got a message where I've written 11 points to consider whether you should apply for EOR or not. So, you should contact me. Text me on my WhatsApp, just write EOR and I will return with that message. 11 points to consider whether you should go for EOR or not. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.